Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the JBL Cinema SP1100 2.1 soundbar. This is a very long soundbar. You can see there is a photo of the soundbar over here. There is some added information here. I will show them to you one by one. Over here it's written this comes with 110 watt all-in-one soundbar. This is a 110 watt all-in-one soundbar. Built-in subwoofer for deep bass, Dolby Digital movie experience, Bluetooth wireless music, one wire setup via HDMI ARC. Do we have any more information anywhere? So that's all the information on the box. I'm going to open it and show you what's inside. So these are the components of the box. Let's quickly show you what they are. Okay, there are some more packets over here. So yeah, this packet had this particular power cable. There you go. There's a power cable for the soundbar. And these are wall mount brackets. These are metallic wall mount brackets. There's also this particular remote control. There you can see this is a remote control. I will give you a closer look. There you can see this is a remote control from JBL. It has a nice matte black finish to it as well. So I'm going to keep them over here as well. This particular packet has an HDMI ARC cable. Let me show it to you. There you see, this is the HDMI ARC cable that comes with this particular box. This is the cable that you use to connect the soundbar to a TV or even a PC when you want to. And this is it. Now let's take a look at the soundbar. And this is it. This is what the soundbar looks like. It has this, it's a very long soundbar, but also pretty slim on this side. It has this piano black finish. There you can see this has a piano black finish to it. It also has this mesh design at the top. This is where the speakers are. Am I missing something? Yeah. This is a 110 watt 2.1 channel soundbar. There are two anti-slip stops over here. So basically these are the two anti-slip grips. So the soundbar is supposed to stay like this with the JBL logo pointing up and the inline remote also pointing up. Speaking of the inline remote, there's the power button, the equalizer button, and a plus minus button for your volume. And on this side you have the HDMI port, the USB-A port, and this is the power port right over here. This is also an optical port over here. There you can see. Do we have any more stuff over here? No, this is it. There is also a bunch of documents over here. This is the quick start guide for the JBL Cinema SP1110, and this is a product information guide, product registration guide from JBL. And what is this? Okay, this is also a setup guide from JBL. This is an instruction on how to set it up on the wall. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the JBL Cinema SP1100 2.1 soundbar. Thank you for watching.